Are you struggling with life's challenges and stress? Do you wish for a power that keeps you calm even in tough times? Then the Stoic philosophy is for you. Stoic philosophy teaches us to focus on two things: what we can control and what we cannot. For a successful and fulfilling life, we should only invest our energy in things we can control. Body Sure Stoic Journal Practice. Today I'll share a powerful Stoic journal practice that can change your life. Every day, write down these 4 questions in your journal. 1. What can I control today? 2. What can I not control? 3. What was today's biggest lesson? 4. What am I grateful for? Make this practice a daily habit and see how your mindset transforms. You want to improve your life through Stoic philosophy? Start this journaling practice today and share in the comments how it's impacted your life. Want peace and happiness in life? Be a Stoic. Be the master of your life.